Dear distinguished parents and guardians, I want to gently remind you that Jobade Academy's open day will hold on Friday, June 20th, 2025 at 10 a.m. prompt. We look forward to welcoming you as we discuss your child's progress and development. Thank you for your continued support.
Yeah, you're welcome back, guys. So like I said earlier, for you to achieve that video, you need to undergo 3 steps, right? So the first step is for you to get ChatGPT. I'm going to be using ChatGPT as the first step. So if you don't have ChatGPT, go ahead to your Play Store or your App Store. It is free. Get it downloaded. So this is my own ChatGPT right here, and I'm going to open it. So opening ChatGPT now, the first thing you want to do is you want to prompt ChatGPT for it to generate the write-ups you'll be needing for your voiceover. If you listen to the video, you will see that the voice I use there is not a human voice, though looking closely like a human voice, but it is actually AI. Alright, so I generated the AI voice, the write-ups I want to use for the AI voice, and everything was made with AI from ChatGPT. So what is ChatGPT? You know, all these things are AI, and that's artificial intelligence. This is a robot that you have to be training it. Okay, so and the training is just the prompting thing. That is why you will not get results if you don't know how to prompt it. So you must be able to prompt it well. Some people will watch tutorial video like this, and then they will end up saying after watching the video, after trying it, I couldn't get results, or it's not working for me. It's just simply because you have not prompted the AI well. So the prompt will help the AI to relate with what you are saying and to give you a better result. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to give ChatGPT a good prompt that will help you to get your voiceover done. Right over here, I told ChatGPT that, okay, generate a very short write-up to blah blah blah. I'm not going to be reading it. I think it is brightly showing on my screen right now. So this is the first prompt. You really need this prompt if you are going to do exactly like this kind of a video, right? Okay, so this prompt, I'm going to be leaving it down there in the description box below. So if you have the time, you can go there and copy it and then paste to ChatGPT. But if you can write it directly here, it is boldly showing on my screen right now. You can write it down or you screenshot it. All right, so after giving this to ChatGPT gave me this guy here. So this guy here is what I'm going to be using to generate the voiceover, which says, dear parents or guardians, this is a gentle reminder that Jobade Academy's open day we hold on Thursday, Thursday 20th June 2025 at 10 a.m. prompt. We look forward to welcoming you as we discuss your child's progress and development. Thank you for your continued support, management. This is mind-blowing, right? And it is okay. It is formal enough and organized. So this is what I'm going to be using. This is okay for me. This is okay for me to use for my voiceover. So what I will do is that, though it needs to be twisted a bit, which I will show you how I did that in this video later. You don't need to skip any part of this video so that you will get everything. So this is the first step. We are still on the first step, which is ChatGPT. Coming to ChatGPT to generate all the things you need. So the first thing, we prompt ChatGPT to give us this. Then later, now you come here. You know, after getting the this voiceover thing, the next thing is to generate your cartoon image, your 3D cartoon image. So what you want to do is you want to come here to ChatGPT. Click here on the ChatGPT, click that particular place. Yeah, click that place. So when you click there, you click on photos. When you click on photos, it will take you right over to your, so just look for where you have kept that particular picture that you want to generate. So this is the picture right here. So I'm going to click the picture right here. Then I will paste the prompt. So what's the prompt? This is the prompt here. The prompt says, generate a 3D cartoon version. Make the cartoon look exactly as the image above. Let the cartoon be in a school director's office background. Include that the name of the school is Jobade Academy at the background. So you can see this is the prompt I gave to ChatGPT. Like I told you earlier, prompting is very, very important. If you don't know how to prompt, then you will not be able to do this, guys. So you really need to know how to prompt. Learning how to prompt is very easy. It's very, very easy. If you want to be very good at it, you can just join my class online and then you'll be very good at it. It's a simple thing. I'm just going to teach you, right? And also, if you want to know how to do all of these things professionally and do some other things with AI, some other simple things and tricks with AI, like doing some other kinds of videos, or you want to start a channel like this kind of channel you are watching this video from right now, or you want to know how to do graphic designing, even how to build a website. So all these areas in tech are what I focus on. So what you just need to do is to click the subscription button right there, because there are so lot of helpful videos on this channel, and others are coming in the future that are going to help you with your tech career. You're not going to miss out. So be conversant with this channel, right? so it's not for me, it's for your own good. So after pasting this to ChatGPT generate this this image here. You can see that this image is really amazing, apart from the fact that the image itself, the character itself, is looking like this. Apart from that, you can notice the background of this character, that it is amazing. The background is having the name of the school behind the character, and then the director, you can see a tag up there says director. So it is really awesome, guys. So this is to say that this particular person in the character, this particular character in the image is the director of the school, and she is actually in her office speaking right there to the parents, okay, with camera in front of her. So it's really okay for me to do what I want to do. You get that right there. So now, after we have achieved this, so the next thing we are going to do is, that's the next step. So the next step is, let's go and generate our voiceover. So let's go and do the voiceover thing. Of websites that you could use to generate your voiceover, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be making use of TTS MP3, I think, but we have other ones that are better. We even have 11 Labs. 11 Labs is better, top notch and professional, you know, especially when you are dealing with videos that have characters talking about Nigeria or Nigerian characters. So if you are dealing with video talking about Nigeria or other part of Africa, you know, you will need 11 Labs, because 11 Labs have voices, AI voices that speaks exactly like Nigeria, Ghanaian, you know, and other African countries. Exactly, AI voice that matches Nigerian voices. It's everything for men, for different kinds of men, different kinds of, you know, women, or even a young lady. Everything is there in 11 Lab if you would need for Nigeria and for other countries, as well as US, as well as, you know, other African parts. You know, if you are Africa, if you want to focus on Africa, you need 11 Lab. Okay, but for the sake of this video, the video you watched earlier, how I made it, you know, that's what I want to show you here. And for the sake of the tutorial, I used TTS MP3. That's it there. So right here, okay, we run it. Now what we'll do is that I'm going to be pasting the prompt right here in this box. So what is the prompt? The prompt could be gotten from ChatGPT right here. This is the prompt right here. So I'm going to copy this prompt right here. Here's the prompt. I'm going to be copying from here, then I will go back to my, then I'm going to be pasting the prompt. So before I send it, so what I will do is I'll just do little editing. Like I said earlier when we were at the ChatGPT, I said I'm just going to be twisting this, so I will do little twisting. I'll say dear parent and guardian. So if I leave that, the implication is that leaving this / sign here, it will make the AI to say dear parent / guardian. It is what I have tried, so you should not even do that. So just do dear parents and guardians. You may put dear parent or guardians. So for me, I say dear parent and guardian. This is a gentle reminder. No, it's not looking like a person is actually saying it, like personalizing. This one is not personalized, so I want the video personalized. The video you watched earlier, you see that it was personalized. The director himself was one talking to her parents, so she was telling them I want to. So I will twist this again. Instead of saying this is a gentle reminder, I will say I want to gently remind you. I want to gently remind you that Jobade Academy's open day we hold tomorrow. Because the day I actually did that video you watched earlier, yes, I did the video on Thursday. We used the video on Friday in the school. So what I will put there is we hold tomorrow. Okay, so the open day we hold tomorrow on Friday. This date is not correct from ChatGPT. So on Friday 20th. So Friday was 20th. Friday 20th. Blah blah blah. We look forward to. So you may leave this like this, or you move it up. We look forward to welcoming you as we discuss your child's growth and development. Thank you for your continued support, management. You don't need to put this management again, and we remove it. So because the management herself was the one speaking. So I will come here right here. Look at this here that says US/Kimberly. This Kimberly is a voice. So I will click on it right there. Then I will search for another voice that I use. Joanna.
Guardians, I want to gently remind you that Jobade Academy's open day will hold tomorrow on Friday, 20th of June 2025 at 10 a.m. prompt.
Joanna is better. So actually, it is one of the voices I pick. So just play around it and pick the voice you think suits you. So then after, you go ahead and click on download, and boom, you see it's downloaded immediately. So what you want to do is the last step. This is the last step where we are going right now. So the last step is for us to make the image talk and to make our video. So here we are on the last step, guys. To make your image talk, you need this website called hedra.com/app/home. The link is in the description below, so you can pick it and then you paste it on your browser. You could use your Chrome or any other browser, and this will work directly from your smartphone, either Android or iOS, guys. So the first thing you want to do when you get to hedra.com is to go ahead and create an account. You could use your Gmail or any other mail. So when you get here, you see video, image, audio. It's asking you, what do you want to create? A very crazy question. What do you want to create? Video, image, audio. So you want to create video, you click on video. So when you tap on video, you get here. So getting here now, you see where it says character. Look at here where it says character. Can you see that? So just go ahead and click on character. So when you click on character, you upload. Just here, click on consent, then go back and click on character, click on upload, then you upload the character that you have generated from ChatGPT. And boom, this is our character as given to us by ChatGPT. So the next thing for us is to upload right here our voiceover. The voiceover we have generated from TTS MP3. So we are going to click right here, audio script. So to upload our audio, we are going to click there to upload our voiceover. So click on, this is your voiceover right here. You can play it to confirm it.
Dear parents and guardians, I want to gently remind.
So it is cool, right? So the next thing is to click on this audio, add to video. So you have to add it to the video, and after adding it to the video, this place that says prompt your character with emotion and gesture. So we are just going to tell it eyes blinks continuously, hands and body gestures. So let me add a comma here, and let me add a full stop here, and that's going to be all. So the last thing is you tap on this particular button right there to generate it. When it shows you this, just go ahead and tap continue, and then you can see it is saying preparing to generate your video. Also, can you see that it is preparing to generate your video? Okay, so let's wait for the magic. He said, please do not close the browser during this process. So guys, after downloading it, this is the result we get.
Dear distinguished parents and guardians, I want to gently remind you that Jobade Academy's open day will hold on Friday, June 20th, 2025 at 10 a.m. prompt. We look forward to welcoming you as we discuss your child's progress and development. Thank you for your continued support.